Good morning to all the faculty members and teachers. Myself Manish Chankala. I am pursuing bachelor's from Amrapali Institute of Hotel Management. On the World Tourism Day, I congratulate all of you. I would like to speak about the impact of COVID-19 on tourism. As we all are stuck in a pandemic situation of COVID-19 from end of March this year and still continuing. Most of the employees have been laid out of their jobs and as well as international visits have been closed. There have been a major impact of hospitality and tourism also. India's hotel industry is remanaging hospitality to survive the COVID-19 pandemic. But how far creative things may can go, where peoples are where peoples are reluctant to even step out of their homes. Several restaurants and cafes have shut shops in last 3 months, while large hotel chains are struggling to pay salaries, in some cases even laying off. But not everyone has given up their hope yet. Hotels are recalibrating and localizing supply chains, which will change the way to operate, with social distancing being the need of our hotels. Hotels had tweaked the regular procedure and activities to ensure that least human contact is required. Check-in and check-out formalities will be processed digitally. Hotels have altered their lobbies, restaurants and banquets, making fewer tables available and also suspended the self-serving buffet. Wherever possible set by Tata Group subsidiary that manages properly brands such as Taj, Vivanta and Ginger. The three-star hotel group have decided to sanitize their property even after every 2 hours. OYO has started training with their partners on how to maintain sanitization and hygiene and which protective equipment must be stocked up. The company said it will regular audit and check to ensure the guidelines being followed. There were some of the initiative that taken by the hotels because of the pandemic, but due to their mere focus on qualities and hygiene, so instead of regretting, hotels are changing themselves and coming with new solutions. Thank you.